Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Longwear and today I'm going to be doing a makeup review for you all and for myself. Today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD Skin. Boom. Have it in 4Y66, 4Y70, 4Y60. Such a gap numbers. But yes, let's go ahead and see which one works for me. Alright, so I don't think this will be me. Yeah, I don't necessarily see this as me. I don't think this is gonna work. I don't foresee this happening. So let's put this aside. We may have to get back on it. Okay, I may be tripping. I feel like I'm more of this than I am this. Did I find my shade? Did we find the shade? Is this it? If this is it, I'm officially a good judge of character for what my shade is. Because this is, I think this is it. On camera, it looks more yellow than it does in person. 4Y66 is warm walnut, and it's for deep skin tones with yellow undertones. I think this is it. What y'all think? I don't know how it's looking on camera, but it kind of already blended. What y'all prank? Not me knowing my shade match. All right, girl, you better do it. You better do it. Okay, practice makes perfect. So this is really good for me. I know, so it comes off extremely yellow and then it dries down like that. Was this yellow? It comes off orange to me in person, but it's yellow, I guess, to you guys on camera. It's crazy. But it all comes together. Let me read what the specs is first. Medium coverage, best for oily combo and normal skin. It's an undetectable liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours, powdered by a micro skin system that syncs with the skin. What do you think? How do you feel about this? I feel like it's a perfect match for me, honestly. And that makes me so happy. So happy about this. So happy. All right. So it did dry down completely. Like, oh look, I forgot to get like the sides of my nose. But so this is a liquid formula, natural finish, waterproof, long wearing, 98% that color did not change after drying. Y'all did see what happened when I did my skin. So it definitely changes from the very beginning to the end. It definitely changes, so I'm not sure how correct that is. So I'm going to use one more pump on just this sides of my face that I know that I have the imperfections. So this line right here, I'm curious to see if it covers it, as well as like all these dark spots right here around my mouth. I'm curious to see what that looks like. Okay, and then my acne scarring, I just want to see. So y'all see what it starts with? That's why I'm like, it does change color. I don't know who said that, but the color works for me. The fact that it changes color works for my skin, so I'm not complaining at all. I'm going to use the Hydrating Primer and not a matte primer because this definitely dries down matte. I actually like how I look in this. Okay, what do you think? Ooh, we are looking like something. Let me put this hair up a little bit like this. You know what I mean? Let me just, you know what I mean? Let me do something. Let me just do something. This looks so good. Liquid formula, yes. Natural finish, I completely agree with the natural finish. It's not drying. It is matte, if that makes sense. Like, but it's not too matte. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense. It looks good, is what I'm saying. Maybe that's what natural finish is. It doesn't have a glow of any sort in there. So if that's what you're looking for, then this probably wouldn't be it. Hence why they said it was for oily combo and normal skin. Honestly, I like this. I like how this looks on my skin. You will see the acne scarring, but that's like, I mean, come on. Makeup can only cover up so much. Okay, it can cover up everything, all right? And for people like me or you who have acne scarring, it's gonna show. It's gonna be like covered up. Like all my pores are covered. Like everything is like covered. Like, see, even with acne scarring, it does come off smooth. Like, look, this is my problem area right here and right there, and I'm like, you can barely see anything. Like, so I'm gonna show you guys what this is. I'll be right back to show you guys how this wears on my skin. This was wet. Wet. Okay. This was wet. Y'all, it's been a long day, but it's been a good day. It's been a good and a long day. Oh, it's been a good day. It's been such a good day, guys. So I am back, and I'm back for a final review. I hope you guys see me. I think you can see me clearly. If it's dark, I do apologize. I do apologize in advance. If you see this, I went to iFly. Okay. And it was a very, very interesting experience, but it was very fun, very fun. And so I went with a couple of my girlfriends. So that's what you guys are looking at. So avoid this right here. Okay, this is all iFly. I really like it. I really, really like it. I have not, when I tell you I have not touched my face, I've tried clothes on today. I've done a lot today. A lot has been done today, okay? But I have not blotted my face. I have not powdered my face. I've done nothing. I have not touched my face. Keep that in mind. Same thing, I've not touched my lips. You know what I'm saying? Just mind your business if you think it's dry and crusty. It's been a long day, okay? This is now what, 12 hours of me rocking this, and this is really, this is really, really nice. Like, this is really good. Now granted, I am very much so, it's giving oiliness, okay, around my nose, literally just this area right here, which is expected. I am in Houston and it's quite hot, okay? And so so right here there's a creasing right here and right here as well, but again, they're not too much to where like I can't fix, to be honest, if I wanted to. If I am going to blot it out, this is what it'll look like. Because, I mean, to be honest, I probably would have touched it, but because I was out and I forgot everything in the house, I was like, what's that black thing? Anyways, yeah, so because of all of that, I was like, so this is the one I've not touched. And then this is the one that I have. I hope you can see a bit of a difference there before I blot this out. Yeah. So blotting it out after 12 hours, this is what you will see. I hope you can see. I think you can see it. Yeah, okay. It's not bad. It is 12 hours for crying out loud. So yes, if you are interested in copying this and you have a skin type like myself, or you have skin, okay, like myself, then I feel like you should definitely cop this. This is a good one. If you're wondering, go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If there's any foundations you want me to try but I haven't yet, please leave them down below as well. I would love to. Now there are foundation reviews coming, and that one is Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks, and I love Danessa Myricks stuff, so that will be very interesting to do, as well as the Camel Concealer. Okay, that's another one I have to do, but those are the two that I have that I'm like, I gotta do. That's all in my head right now. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch me, good on me, okay, and listen to what I have to say. I hope that somehow this video was able to benefit you. Don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.